What's up, everybody? It's Chris with Longevity, brought to you by our proud sponsor, DNC Properties. I just wanted to go ahead and shoot a quick video. Ryobi's battery deal. You get the 2 3-amp-hour batteries and the free tool combo kit. I did an unboxing of the vacuum that I got, the 6-gallon wet vac, plus I also got the 9-amp-hour battery. As you all know, if you go into the Home Depot store and try to get this deal, it will not work. They will tell you that it is online only, which, yes, technically, it is still online. You can go online, search whatever tool you want with the 2, 3 3-amp-hour batteries, and they will give you the 2 3 amps, and you will still get a free tool online only. It will specifically say online, not in your store. Wait 1 second. There's more. So today I was in the store, and I thought the deal was still going, and I tried to get the 7 1/4 inch circular saw and the battery kit, right? They told me no. Sir, the tool's rigging up, it's $240 something, you gotta pay for this and that. It is what it is, nothing you can do. So as I walked out of the store, I totally forgot, I was picking up some GFCI outlets for a job, and I walked out with the outlets and I forgot to pay. So I get in the car and I said, oh shoot, I told my wife, I said, I forgot to pay for these. And she said, honey, go back inside and pay for those. We don't want no bad karma, we want good karma. So I absolutely, honey, no problem. I'm gonna pay for these outlets. So I pull my car around back to Pro Services. I'm getting ready to walk inside. I says, man, you know what? I think I have something that tells me that I can still get this tool that shows the date for the 29th of this month, because I remember a manager telling me it ends on the 29th of this month. What do you know? I sure enough had it. I have the proof. I have the means. I have everything you need to go walk into a Home Depot store, and they still have to honor this combo kit deal. If you buy the batteries, you get the free tool. Okay? So if you want to know what that secret is to get this deal still in the store, you have until the 29th. Hit that subscribe button, comment below, let me know, and I will tell you specifically. I will send you an email, I'll send you a message, however you like. I will send you everything you need to take into the store to get this deal honored, so you don't have to do it online. You can go pick it up at your local HD, and they will give you no issues. They have no choice but to honor what I send you in order to get this deal. Again, guys, my name is Chris with Longevity, brought to you by DNC Properties. Subscribe to that channel, buddy, girls, whoever, and I'll show you how to get your Ryobi tool still for 99 bucks. Talk to y'all soon.